Human Anatomy VR delivers the most immersive human anatomical experience available for medical students, professionals, and institutions. Feature-rich content is delivered in a deeply engaging experience with excellent graphics and innovative virtual reality presentation. Thanks to the hand-tracking innovation, there is no need for controllers anymore. You can use your hands to reach any structure you are interested in. The Human Anatomy VR provides 14 human body systems with more than 10,000 realistic anatomical structures designed by medical professionals. The many tools and functions available make understanding complex structures easy. The multi-user collaboration function allows you to connect up to 100 people in a single room, where you can organize a lecture for your students, colleagues, or patients. All structures come with Latin terminology and detailed description in multiple languages. Look deep into the human anatomy to reveal smallest details with Ant Mode. The user virtually shrinks in size and travels through the anatomy, revealing the slightest details. The combination of complete anatomical atlas and 3D DICOM viewer makes this product unique in the world. Virtual reality changes the way how DICOM data can be visualized and viewed. Professionals can analyze CT and MRI scans cooperatively in VR, as if they were side by side in the operating room.